Hey everyone, I'm Denise, and today we're going to be making 60-minute rolls. This is a recipe for homemade dinner rolls that I got from my mother-in-law, Sherry. I've added it to allrecipes.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. Yeast, 2 packages. Butter, 1/4 cup. Flour, 4 to 5 cups. Milk, 1 1/4 cup. Sugar, 3 tablespoons. Warm water, 1/4 cup. 1 medium bowl. 1 saucepan. 1 rolling board. Put the yeast in a bowl. Sprinkle the sugar on top. Add the water. Add milk and butter to the pan. Heat the pan until the butter is melted. Stir constantly to avoid a skin forming on the milk. Pour the butter mixture over the yeast mixture. Add the flour, 1 cup at a time, and mix. You want the dough to be dry but not crumbly. Knead the dough on a floured surface. Knead thoroughly for light, fluffy rolls. Form rolls and place in a warm spot to rise for about 30 minutes. Make the rolls whatever size you want. Transfer the rolls onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the rolls are light brown on top. That's all there is to it. As you can tell, it's mostly a waiting game. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more, you can follow me by hitting the subscribe button. As always, I'll see you in the next video.